Hello everyone, my name is Tianmiao. Today I will tell you what is behaviorism. First, behaviorism, also known as behavioral psychology, is the theory of learning which states or behaviors are learned through interaction with the environment through a process called conditioning. Thus, behavior is simply a response to environmental stimuli. This photo is of reflect action. Then behaviorism is only concerned with observable stimulus response behaviors, and they can be studied in a systematic and observable manner. So this is a stimulus to response model. Behaviorism emerged in the early 90s as a reaction to depth psychology and other traditional forms of psychology, which often had difficulty making predictions that could be tested experimentally, but delivered from earlier research in the late 19th century, such as when Edward Thorndike pioneered the law of effect, a procedure that involved the use of consequences to strengthen or weaken behavior. Thank you for your listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Fan Royal. Today I want to introduce the characteristics of behaviorism and behaviorism. So first of all, the behaviorism is characterized by the emphasis on observation and recording. The belief that behavior is an individual response, and the individual behavior is based on the environment. So next one, I want to introduce the main features of behaviorism. So first of all, behaviorists emphasize the objective observation and measurements of people's behavior. They believe that awareness cannot objectively observe and measure, so it should not be included in the scope of psychological research. Secondly, behaviorists believe that the basis of behavior is individual's reaction. And the foundation of a reaction is to undergo a learning process. So the last one, it is believed that individual behavior is not innate, but acquired in the living environment. So maybe environments can excite the people's behavior. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yao Bingjian. My talk today is about behaviorist theory of learning. Behaviorist learning theory, a school of psychology that uses behaviorist theories and methods to study learning. According to his experiments, three main learning laws are powers: law of preparation, law of practice, law of effect. Let's look at some traits of behaviorism. Banduri believes that learning results in action from a stimulus-response connection.
So, how do we connect behaviorism to our studies process? I will provide you with two ways. The first one is continuation. Well, if you have a continuation of something, which means you must continue rather than stopping. Just like you study, you may need to continue a study habit for a long time to provide. It's very boring, but necessary. Small, you can make a lot of mistakes in your studies, and that's another way I talking about you to make more mistakes. Some people are afraid of make mistakes, which are usually haunted by love, blame, and less confidence. But mistakes are not only a kind of behavior, but a part of our learning as well. to success. I will learn and must surmount great obstacles, and the more mistake you make, the more right you get.